got this shit knocking though.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Bass Butcher Fishing. Today we're in Cayucos, California at Well Rock Reservoir. This is a lake I've been wanting to fish for a long time. I've been here about 3 different times, and this is the first time that I actually brought the cañas with me. And today we're throwing a creature bait with the 5/8 tungsten. This is Reactive Innovations. I'm throwing obviously the Trex 200 with 30-pound Power Pro on a Dobbins Fury, 7-foot medium heavy. And over here I got a Daiwa spinning with some 20-pound Power Pro, and I'm throwing a little Spook Junior for some top water this morning. See if I can get any blow-ups. If not, we're gonna stick to finesse. Stay tuned in. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button while you're at it, and stay tuned in, brother. That's how we rockin' though. Well rock, homie. I got the fish on there, but he's on something. There we go. Nice little largie. Take that. little guy. Little guy. Little whale rock bass though. Yes, sir. I'll take that right now, baby boy. I will take that right now. Nice little bass, Rooney. See if we can get some size though.